Hey everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. Haven't made a video in some time. Just kind of been busy around the homestead and so forth. I do want to do like a small garden tour right now, just to kind of show y'all what's happening and what's going on. So let's get to it. Okay, so over here we have the corn, which we've been getting a lot of rain here in Texas lately, and I can't get this to stand back up like it should, so I'm just going to leave her like that. But the corn seems to be doing pretty good. Now, I don't quite know when I'm supposed to pick my corn. I've never grown corn. I've never got corn to grow in my yard. But here it is, and it's growing. So, hopefully, we'll be able to get some corn. I need to look up when I need to harvest this because some of it looks really good. Let's see, like, I don't know if y'all can see that. That one looks pretty good. This one looks pretty good. But I'm not sure when I need to be harvesting this before the worms start getting them. So, that's my corn. It's doing really good. Yes, I need to weed eat out here. But, like I say, I'm not too worried about it. Along this line right here, I have eggplant. I haven't gotten anything off of it just yet. But we do have a couple of blooms. Right here on this one, there's corn, not corn, there's okra. I've gotten quite a bit of okra off of there. Squash plants, zucchini plants, etc. I did lose a couple to them squash bugs. And the sunflowers, of course, are like 7 foot tall, which that's okay. It feeds the bees. But let's go. Oh, look, we got a little zucchini coming out right there. I had one the other day that my father-in-law showed me, and it was huge. I didn't even see it. Some watermelons down in here. Another melon over there. Here pretty soon, hopefully, if the squirrel, there's a squirrel, he comes and he chews on my stuff. And he was eating my pumpkins. I had 2 pumpkins growing, he was eating them. Right here, I want to show you all my beautiful cantaloupes. Beautiful cantaloupes. And there's one over there too. And there's 2, apparently. There's 2 right here. Now, I don't know if these are cantaloupes or if these are watermelon. I guess we'll figure it out whenever they get bigger. But those are actually doing pretty good this year too, because in all honesty, I've never planted these and they're growing like crazy. But here is that, which I need to pick it because it's rotted now. It was a pumpkin. But see, the squirrel freaking got in there. Stinking squirrel. I'm actually going to pitch this over to the goats. They'll probably like that. Oh, and I have tomatoes right here. This right here has got tomatoes. It looks like grass, but it's really tomatoes. And right here too, I've got 3 of them right here. Here you go, girls. There you go. Be a good dewormer for them. And I think old Miss Nanny Goat here, she's getting a pretty big bag on her. And I'm pretty sure she's getting ready. Yeah, her bag is bigger than it was yesterday. Nanny, can you turn around so we can see? Are you licking your lips, boo-boo? Oh, you're gonna go TT, you nasty. Can I see your bag? Will you let me see your bag? No, honestly, I think she only has one baby in there. Well, Mama, you didn't like that? You didn't like that, Mama? There's this. Ow, don't bite. Jeez. Little Vader down here, he got his little hoo-ha's done. See her bag? She's getting a pretty big bag, and her bag wasn't like that, so I gotta get out here and give her CDT before she throws them babies. And this guy right here is always climbing on the fence. And that's a little wither that we have. I still have him around. In the fall, he'll probably go bye-bye. And Splash is around here somewhere. Oh, there's Splash. You can't see him because of Goliath here. Splashy boy. Huh, Splashy? He's such a good boy. But, yep, that's the goats. My beautiful goats. Hopefully, Miss Nanny here will let me milk her after she has them babies. And this one here, I don't know if she's pregnant or not, guys. She's just always fat. Now, Harry, you want to say hi, Harry? Say hi, Harry. Yeah, you my boy. You're my big boy, yeah. Okay, let's get back to the garden here. All right, so over here, like I say, I have tomato plants here. And we have green beans here. I've been getting quite a bit of green beans. I've already canned 1 jar of green beans. Yes, I know, it's only 1 jar, but hey, one's better than nothing. And then I replanted some in there also. In case if these die off, at least I'll have other ones that'll come back. Yes, I need to mow out here, but I'm not really worried about it, to be honest. Down here, let's see, we were down here in the pumpkin patch. Now, I do have a pumpkin, one. Hopefully the squirrel didn't get it. right down there. So we'll see. And then all my cucumbers, I have canned a lot of cucumbers. I did some spicy ones this past weekend, and I did some other ones the other weekend. There's Buggy Boy. Nice Buggy Boy. Oh, goodness. And then right here, these are some type of melon. I don't remember exactly what I planted. But see, the stinking squirrel or chicken or something is getting in that. Oh, what is that? I wonder if that's another pumpkin. That might be another type of pumpkin, I think. And then my Dollar Tree zinnias, y'all. Right there. That's a Dollar Tree zinnia. So you can grow those seeds. There's one there, and there's one fixing to come out right here. Yep, those are those Dollar Tree zinnias that I planted from seed, and they grew. I only got 2, but hey, I got, you know, at least 2. Because the chickens get in here and scratch stuff out and all that good stuff. But, and then over here, I got 1 zucchini off of that plant, off of this plant right here, and that was it. She hasn't done anything else. Hey, don't make me get the garlic spray and spray you over there stomping. I'll spray you for that stuff. What you doing, boy? Weather. My mint is doing really good. I'm going to try to make some mint jelly and see if we like that. I do have a jalapeno plant in there right there. That's down in with the, probably going to taste like mint. And then there's a tomato plant over here. There's another one of those little things that are growing. I don't know exactly what that is. I don't remember where the tag went. Like I said, the chickens got out here and scratched stuff. I had some cilantro in here. My cilantro didn't make it. I give up on cilantro this year. It is what it is. But I planted my pineapple sage because up front, it's not doing good up front. So I planted it back here, and there's 2 tomato plants right there. I don't know what it is about this and the dirt, but something, it doesn't like it. We had to harvest potatoes. Ow, mosquito just bit me. So we had to harvest my potatoes. I had all my potatoes in this, and I had to harvest them. Unfortunately, my potatoes were trying to grow sprouts to grow more potatoes. Because I think that that's because of all the rain that we had got all at once. So I harvested all the potatoes and I planted my tomato plants that I had. I planted them here with some zinnias. Oh, I lied. That's not my only zinnias. These zinnias, this one, are from seed. I grew those from the seed from the Dollar Tree packs. So, more sunflowers. And let me give y'all an overview. I'm going to swing you around here. Try not to make you too dizzy. The geese, I'll have to show y'all Bob here pretty soon. I got another male goose. It looks like a jungle, but I promise you there is life, growth, plants out in that area. And the winter, we're gonna close this off and we're gonna let the goats have at it. Because next year I'm gonna go to raised garden beds. Oh, there's Bob right there. That's our little male goose that we went and got. So he could go with the 2 girls, because I'm pretty sure the 2 girls that I went and got are girls, not a male and a female. But Bob, he'll let you pick him up and love him and everything. So I got my tiller running. Woohoo! I did get my tiller running. I'm excited about that. No more electric tiller. I got my big one. All right, let's go over here. I'm trying not to make y'all too dizzy. I don't have my other stand with me. So sage is still growing here. I still need to plant this stuff or give it away or trade it or something. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, but they need to be potted somewhere else. This one started out as a little bitty tomato. Now she's, what, I'm 5 foot. She's probably 4 something with the pot. So she's pretty big. Our little Sarama hen, she went broody. She has 3 eggs underneath her. I don't know if I'll be able to get a picture of her because she'll start freaking out. See? Little Sarama hen. She has 3 eggs. Ooh, she looks mean. Crazy girl. And then we still have our little tiny rooster over there. And my baby bunny, or one of my bunnies, she had 10 babies, 9 survived. And she's been a really good mother towards them. Sorry, I was scratching my nose. She's been a really good mother with them. Oh, wait, yeah, we got some more tomatoes. I had to water this really, really good yesterday because, man, it was dry. But look, we got some beautiful tomatoes. Beautiful, beautiful tomatoes down here. I haven't gotten enough at one time to harvest and make like salsa and stuff. That's literally stuck. I've been having to tie these things back. But yep, that's some beautiful tomatoes right there, y'all. This one, I've tied it so many times, she just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm tired of tying her up. They're going everywhere. Next year, it'll be different, hopefully. I'll get some of them cattle panels and put them up with the cattle panels. I got one big tomato down there. Not quite ready yet. And then out here, we got our jalapenos. Jalapenos over here. Chicken, you ain't even supposed to be in that yard. Get over here. Our squashes. I do have some green beans planted out here. I let them start them from seed. So we're gonna see, because the other ones didn't make it. So we'll see how these do. Some of our squash plants are doing good. That one zucchini plant, he's not doing very well. Don't know, maybe if a boar bug got him or something. A squash bug. And then you walk through the forest. That's a tomato plant. That's a tomato plant. That's a tomato plant. That's a tomato plant. Tomato plant. And then you got these beautiful sunflowers, y'all. We went to a sunflower garden over the weekend. It was 1.5 acres of nothing but sunflowers. And it was really neat. I had to post some pictures down in the community so y'all could see that. That's some really different color sunflowers, like brown and red. It almost looked like the sun. It's all tomatoes. I got to stand that one back up. She was standing up. She fell down now. Matt's got tomatoes on. My basil is doing really good. I've never grown basil. Let me tell you what. That basil looks pretty cool. Oh, we got a big tomato down there. I need to pick that one. Yes, Harry, we see you. You better not be eating my dill, buddy. I've been using my fresh dill out of my garden for my pickles. I like that. I'm gonna cut. We had some of those butterflies on there. I can see a little one right now. We had some on there, and just kind of been letting them eat what they want, and I just pick around them. I want them to be able to have their food too. Another tomato, more tomatoes. This tomato's huge. See if y'all can see that. She's huge. It really likes this area out here. And then I have more cucumbers back here. These cucumbers I did start from seed, and they're doing really good. I haven't got any big ones off of them yet, but I have seen, excuse me, mosquito. I have seen a bunch of small babies. So, hopefully this year, I'll tell you what, if we don't eat anything, we're gonna eat pickles and cucumbers. Okay, well, I lost y'all there for a second. I hit a wrong button on my phone. But, yeah, if we don't eat anything, we'll eat nothing but pickles. This one's getting some, this sunflower right here. She got a whole bunch of sunflowers on her. I had to trim off some of the leaves because they were blocking the jalapeno plants from being able to turn color. Ever since I've taken off some of the leaves, the jalapenos are starting to change through their color. That like the chili ancho right here. Or no, this is a poblano right here. It says it's a, oh no, it's a sweet bell pepper. Never mind. That's a sweet bell pepper. I have poblanos in here somewhere. Who knows? But yeah, she's really pretty to be a bell pepper. Because we like to make a lot of fajitas. And that will do great with the fajitas. Not just your typical orange and yellow and green. Down through there, I got some more. This right here is supposed to have been a whole row of just bell peppers. But I haven't, she's the only one that's produced anything, really. And all my tomatillos, I probably went wrong with them tomatillos because they're not producing anything, but they are all over the place. I'll tell you that. And then we walk through the wall of sunflowers again. Oh, there's a jalapeno plant right there. Oh, you can get lost in this jungle. I want to show you all the bees and their forest that they're in. They literally look like, excuse me, they look like they're in a forest. That's that part of the garden, guys. But look at this. This right here, my bees are here. I have an empty box here, but the bees are in this one. This thing goes all the way around. Like their own sanctuary of sunflowers. They seem pretty happy there. I checked them the other day. I added this box here because down here they had it pretty full, so I added just a box and I kept the queen excluder. That way hopefully they'll go up there and just start making some honey. That way next year we can just get the honey from them. The other two, I'll have to feed those in the winter. They don't have very much in their boxes. I probably should be feeding them now, but I would rather them do what they're supposed to do and let nature do what nature's supposed to do. Let's give an update on the turtle. So, the turtle that was in here, the little turtle that we found, I'm assuming he was already too dehydrated. He's the one that we found in the yard. Who knows how long he had been in the yard, but we found 2 more. 1, 2, and all that stuff floating is corn. We give them corn and stuff like that. More mint. There's more mint here. And then, whatever this is supposed to be for butterflies also. I don't remember what that's called. But they've got some little butterfly stuff, little caterpillars on there. But yep. That's what we've been up to, guys. Haven't made a video in a while. Just been, like I say, I've been busy on the homestead, doing different stuff. We put that one goat a couple weeks ago. We put him in the freezer. Little Vader boy, we're gonna keep him so he can be the weather for around here. Let me know whenever the females are in heat and stuff. I have 5 baby turkeys. I hatched out 5 baby turkeys. I have more eggs in the incubator. We'll see what happens. And then ducks, they didn't do too well. I mean, I'm still getting eggs, but they didn't do too well. Chickens are doing okay. We did have a predator get in. It took one of my big actually two of my Muscovy ducks. I don't know how, I don't know what it was, but it sure did. It took 2 of them. I would show you the front, but there's really not much in the front. Now, I did plant some more squash in case if my other ones didn't make it. I did plant some more, so we got them kind of sitting here. Once they get a little bit bigger, I'm gonna stick them in the ground. But yeah, there's Spooky Boy. Hi, Spooky Boy. Say hi. He's a good boy. Oh, I did get, I forgot to tell y'all, I got some game hens and a game rooster. I've been getting 1 or 2 eggs from them. We're going to put them in I have them over in that pen that's over there. We will be hatching out some of those eggs, hopefully here pretty soon, because I'd like to see if, we can, I don't know. I've never raised game hens. I've never raised game chickens. But, new experience. Be neat to do, I guess you could say. And that right there, that's our burn pile. But all that is sunflowers. I've taken out so many sunflowers, it's unbelievable from this property this year. But, the bees like them. But that's, we got the ducks, another big pool. Well, the ducks can't get in it, the geese do. And they've already dirtied it because we gave water earlier. New rooster that we got, that white one. I don't know what kind he is, but he's a big guy. Tom the turkey. Got Tom the turkey. And his 3 girls. They're those bronze kind. Then she's like a Narragansett or something. I don't know how to say that word. Narragansett, something like that. Yep, that's the farm for right now, guys. Hopefully we can get back to doing more. It's been so hot here, so humid. Just haven't really been wanting to do outside stuff. I've been doing inside stuff. But hope y'all stick around. I hope you like and subscribe. And, like I say, we're always on a new journey at this area, at this homestead. So yeah, y'all stick around. We'll catch you next time. Bye.